Hello and welcome. If you've seen this video, you're either a friend of mine on Facebook and you've asked for more info, or you've seen this on YouTube. So, from my YouTube channel. So, what is BBD or Bitcoin Build Direct? So, pretty much it's a system created by Drew Burton, and so what happens is you get a free $200 account to start. So, obviously, I'm a founding member, so I've obviously been here for a couple of months. You get a free $200 trading account with us, pretty much. And we have the trading team, and the trading team does all the trades during the week. Obviously, trading's only 4 days a week. If it's volatile, they actually turn the trading off for however long. So after a day or two of like volatility, they'll turn it off, etc. So what happens is the gain for the week or the month or whatever it is. Usually, they build it up to about a month, usually, or every couple of weeks. We get 50% of what's earned. So 50% goes to the system to bring in more members, obviously, to offer $200 accounts, and the other 50% comes to us. So once they, so say if it's 3 weeks, they build it up. Say it's 10. Let's use 10 grand as an example. 10 grand. So 5,000 would go to the system, and then that would bring in more people, obviously, more accounts, and the other 5,000 would be split up depending on what level you are too, obviously. So there's different levels. So we've got like a 2, a 5, a 1,000, 3,000, 5,000, and I think there's probably even a 10 coming, maybe eventually, obviously when it gets bigger. So we all start with 200. So I'm actually on a 500, so I'm actually getting a 5 and a 200 level whenever every payout is. That's because we had a bump match. So the idea is we had the opportunity to bump match, so the system paid half, and then I paid the other half. So I obviously paid $250 to get to the $500 level, and the system paid $250 with the funds that they had. Okay, so obviously if you come in, it's going to be a $200 level, and then if the opportunity arises 3 to 6 months or whatever it is, you'll have the opportunity. So you'll get to test this out, see, just without putting any money in, and then if you see fit that you want to upgrade, you might get the opportunity to, depending on how much funds the system is going to set aside. So what will happen is, say if they did it for 6 months, they'd obviously have funds built up, and they'd say, yeah, first in, best dressed. Pretty much that's how you do it, okay? So you can't actually fund yourself. You can't just jump from 200 to 500. You just can't come in and go 5,000. You can't do that, okay? So this is built up from the system. So it's self-funding, in other words. And obviously there's no risk in the 200 because you're getting it for free, okay? So that's the main thing. Now when you do come in, if you come in under me or under another founding member, you will have the opportunity to, they call it the spin and win wheel. So you're not guaranteed to get an account. Let's just get this out of the way. So you'll come in and spin and win. Now on the wheel, there's obviously not working, I don't think, it's not functioning properly at the moment. There'll be like free advertising you can win, free Bitcoin, and obviously the $200 account. So that's how it's going to work. So it's an open and shut system pretty much. So obviously if the funds aren't there to bring in new members, obviously you can't win the $200 account. It's not going to be there, okay? Just laying it out to you straight from the word go, just so that, we're clear. So just because you sign up doesn't mean you're guaranteed to get an account, okay? But obviously you can come in every day when that actually opens. So affiliates, we're probably another couple of weeks away. But I'll just give you a head start, if you're interested. Just give you a rough idea of what's going on. And yeah, so that's how it works. So like I said, there's different accounts. So like I said, you're coming in with nothing. I will just go in the gain. So the whole system is 92,000. The member earnings is about just over 12,000. There's only 394 founding members. Okay, so when you're coming in, this is going to be pretty much fresh. And this is, like I said, it's free money. You can't go wrong. You're not outlaying anything, okay? So the only time you outlay is if you do get to a bump match opportunity, and you might want to get to the 500 or the 1,000. You obviously got to pay. If it's both, it'll be 750. Right now, the system will match that. Okay, so obviously you want to go from 200 to 500 probably. It's up to you. If you like the system, how it goes. Obviously, as the system builds, like the $200 level is it's not gonna make you rich, okay? It's just, but it's gonna give you bits of Bitcoin. That's the main thing, all right? It's not really the fiat value you're worrying about. It's the bits of Bitcoin that you're getting, okay? So obviously Bitcoin's down from what it was obviously a month or two ago, okay? I'll show you one of my payouts. So this is a payout from the other day. So 0.45981, whatever, right? So Bitcoin's obviously 9,000 at the moment, which is good. So it's good, it's going up. If you're in the crypto space, you would be happy with that. So say 0.458. So the other day, I think Monday when I got, I was only $36 worth, right? But now it's obviously, because Bitcoin's gone up overnight pretty much, it's up to $43. But yeah, you're not really worrying about this figure, you're worrying about this figure, okay? You're worrying about the bits of Bitcoin. Now, obviously, the $200 account probably won't be near that, clearly. Obviously, because I've got the 500 and the 200 at the same time. And how the payouts work, pretty much once the system makes the money, so obviously they build it up to whatever stage, and then they do the withdrawal there. So there's no withdrawal button, there's no building internally. All the funds, is used to trade every week. So obviously, as more people come in, our trading's gonna get massive, like way bigger. Okay, so there'll be more people coming in, obviously each month or after each withdrawal, and that's how it works, and that's how the system's going to get bigger. So it's self-funding, as I said, and yeah. So at the moment, the master account. Let's go over a couple of these. The master account at the moment is a $200 master account. It's about 25%. Now, with the trading team too, they're not going gun-ho. They're not like trying to get 10-15% a day. They're obviously being conservative. So between 1 to 2% maybe a day. Like I said, it's only 4 days a week too. And if there's any risk of them losing money, they don't trade that day. It's simple as that. So the idea of the system, like I said, it's 100% risk-free to come in, because obviously you're not using your own money. But then if you like what you see, I suppose, and everything's going all right, obviously, because obviously anything can happen in the stock world, as we know, just like the crypto world. That $200 account is risk-free for you, okay? So, and then if you like to see, like I said, you can just do it. If then the opportunity arises where there's a 50% match, you take the opportunity, okay? I'm not saying you're guaranteed to get that too, it depends. Depends how many. I mean, there's only 60 people, I'm pretty sure, had the opportunity to bump match the first time, and I was one of them. So, so only 60 out of the 390 something got to bump match, okay? So the $500 level is just under 24%. The $1,000 level is about just over 26%. I don't know if there's many people in the 3,000 yet, but that's 30-something%, okay? So, obviously, these figures can change any time. And yeah, that's all I've got for you at the moment. I mean, if you're interested in it, obviously too, so when you first come in, obviously, if you're not, obviously you're not guaranteed an account, right? So you've got to win your account. But other than that, you've got the money guide. So the money guide, it's not finished yet. So that's pretty much an affiliate marketing, affiliate learning, like a course. Teach you how to sell products. I think we're trying to, the idea of it too, when you're doing the affiliate side of it, we're trying to do it so it'll be something like get response, like microphones that you need for recording, obviously recording software, stuff like that. And the idea is your affiliate links will be there, okay, in your homepage. So anyone that signs up and goes through the money guide, obviously, will have an opportunity to buy those products if they need it, okay? So that's another way you can earn. The other way you can earn too, obviously, is if someone does upgrade. Now, you're not going to get a commission. None of us get a commission for bringing in a free member, obviously, which is all good, okay? Because we're earning already through the trading. I think once you get, if people do jump to 5,000, to 500, 1,000, 3,000, you obviously get a 10% commission, okay? Nothing too fancy, like a $200 account is not going to make you rich, all right? As simple as that. You're just going to be accumulating Bitcoin. That's the idea, obviously. And, obviously I'm on, like I said, I'm on the 500, which is so the 700 together. I mean, it's like $42. I mean, that might pay half a phone bill or something a month, mobile phone. So it's not going to change your life, but it's a way to earn money without putting any money in, okay? To start with, anyway. And then obviously you can learn how to, affiliate market better. And I mean, you can sell any product online. It's pretty simple if you want to do that. I mean, it's up to you. Obviously, you've been watching my channel, you know that I do ICOs and obviously mining, Bitcoin mining. But this is another level. I mean, obviously mining, the ICO course I'm in obviously costs a fair bit, but worth every cent. But it's just one of those things a lot of people don't like, you know, some people don't like doing that, whatever. Or there's mining, which is, you know, mid-level entry point into the crypto world. And obviously, this is a free way to get into the crypto world if you want to get into it, or you just want to earn, you know, a little bit of Bitcoin here and there. And yeah, so that's what I got for you guys. If you're interested, feel free to connect with me on Facebook. So send me a friend request and send me a message, and I'll, you know, at least I'll know if you're keen. I'll be able to, when the links come out, which is probably, like I said, 3 to 4 weeks time maybe. I'll be able to send you my affiliate link. And if you're on YouTube, smash that like button and subscribe. And obviously I'll do more videos, obviously, when the time arises for that. So yeah, guys, I'm just going to leave it at that. And have a good day, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye for now.